With 42 years of machine building excellence and the experience of delivering 60,000 machines, Ace Micromatic Group, AMG, has played a key role in the industrial evolution of India and the world over. With more than 70% repeat customers, AMG is renowned for its technical capabilities in the machine tool realm. Driven by passion for service, cost effectiveness, and a strong value system, AMG is the preferred machine tool partner across market segments. With a global footprint in over 15 countries, AMG machines have been an invaluable resource in producing quality components for a diverse range of applications.
With the vision to be a single-window solution provider for all customers' shop floor needs, we offer a wide range of products in the market, ranging from turning, milling, grinding machines, SPMs, to IoT and automation solutions. The group also envisions to diversify into newer technologies and geographies, thereby offering a wide range of solutions to our customers. Ensuring customer success through cost-effective solution has been the motto of the group. Today, with the inclusion of Amaze Solutions as our additive manufacturing arm, we are ready to revolutionize the manufacturing industry yet again. The current global metal additive market is valued for $2 billion but growing with a CAGR of 29%. The additive manufacturing technology is rapidly evolving to be a preferred way of manufacturing. It is now seeing widespread adoption in sectors like aerospace, defense, medical, automotive, among others. AM technology is being explored not only for prototyping but also full-fledged production of parts. With the increasing acceptance of technologies like laser-based powder bed fusion today, we have reached a position where these machines need to be made in numbers viably to cater to the demand that is gaining. We welcome you to the additive manufacturing era.
Additive manufacturing offers unlimited design freedom. Design parts without worrying about process feasibility limitations that come with traditional manufacturing. In addition to this, the technology enables multiple parts with design variations to be printed in one go. AM simplifies part structure by eliminating auxiliary connectors and reducing the assembly time. With AM, new part development and time to market reduces drastically, taking the new creations from design to production readiness at a fraction of the time while being cost effective. With capabilities of producing complex geometrical features, AM is now unlocking new possibilities across sectors without the restrictions of traditional manufacturing techniques, and with topology optimization, print parts that are lighter and stronger. Today, with over 10,000 hours of metal printing experience behind us, we have the capability of working with a range of materials like stainless steel, maraging steel, aluminum alloy, Inconel, and titanium. We've reached out to customers from different parts of the world, helping them solve their manufacturing complexities the additive way. Through the years, Team Amaze has worked with customers from automotive, healthcare sector, aviation, space and defense, mold making sector, and other general engineering industries to better understand applications of additive manufacturing. AM technology is often viewed as process intensive with high machinery cost, low productivity rates, high maintenance cost, and essentially a higher cost per component. The availability of large format machines that follow the powder bed fusion technology is also limited. Most of these challenges have posed as entry barriers for wider adoption of this technology. To overcome many of these hurdles, the ALM 400 was created.
For us at Amaze, The focus has always been to develop production-ready machines to suit large volumes of part printing. It provides the flexibility to address the larger sized parts and also higher volumes of printing.
The machine is designed keeping the wider variety of materials that would be required for development and experiments by the industry. Versatility of printing has been a key consideration in the engineering process. The machine is equipped with high productivity printing process and enhanced build parameters. This allows the printing process to be completed faster. The machine has all the necessary features to minimize the setup time, preparation time, and changeover time. The machine has a build envelope that allows large size parts to be printed on it. A high-powered dual laser system enables faster printing with the ability to print higher layer thicknesses. With two high-powered continuous wave fiber lasers being offered as a standard feature, the machine allows for a wide range of materials and applications to be developed. The machine allows varying layer thicknesses to be printed. The scanning system with digital encoders provides superior positioning accuracies and long-term stability, making it suitable for long periods of printing with minimum drifts. A dynamic focusing system allows exceptionally precise, high-performance positioning of the laser beam along the optical axis. The full scan field scanning system allows both the lasers to reach any corner of the build volume, thus more than doubling the print productivity. The machine is equipped with an all-servo motor controlled by the most advanced PLC hardware, allowing more precise axis positioning, provides longer life, and enhanced serviceability. This also ensures a faster recoating, thereby minimizing the overall print time. An innovative multi-blade recoater system facilitates printing with minimum downtime during a build failure. This technology allows the operator to quickly index the recoater blade in the event of minor damages to it, thereby salvaging the build. A recirculating pump ensures minimum consumption of the inert gas, which is generated from a built-in system. The laminar gas flow on the powder layer maximizes the collection of the burnt powder during the printing process, thereby ensuring superior quality of the printed parts.
The ALM400 comes equipped with a host of features to enable safe and effective powder management. The smart powder management system comes with a real-time powder measurement unit, which provides the current volume of powder available in the machine's storage section. A predictive system dynamically estimates the exact amount of powder required to complete the current print job based on the layer volume. This smart system allows the operator to plan for the amount of powder required in advance without having to stall the machine for want of powder. A fast powder extraction system from the build chamber post-build ensures the machine is ready for the next print job in short durations. The entire powder collection from the machine's build chamber, sieving and restoring of clean powder is maintained in an inert environment. The machine is offered with fully open, editable parameters for a wide variety of metals such as aluminum alloy, stainless steels, maraging steels, Inconel, titanium, and many more. The machines are built with best-in-class subsystems providing the highest level of machine reliability and superior quality of printed parts. The laser and scanner control system, which is the heart of the printing process, is controlled by hardware and a custom-developed software from Materialize. The build processor offers a seamless integration with the Magix and support generation software with most optimized data flow for build speed improvements. The machine design is validated by an expert team from Materialize. The ALM400 also complies to some of the most advanced machine building standards in terms of geometric capability assessments.
The machine is made friendly not only to operate but also for maintenance and servicing. The powder loading is done outside of the build chamber, giving the operator freedom to load powder during the printing process. There are troubleshooting guides that support in faster retrieval of the machine, ensuring minimum breakdown time. Periodic maintenance alerts along with real-time monitoring of the vital statistics of the machine ensures better reliability and higher productivity. The ALM400's control interface comes with inbuilt intuitive features facilitating the user with timely inputs about the machine status and recommend suitable action if required. This also ensures smooth operation with minimal intervention, further enhancing the user experience. Key parameters such as pressures, temperatures, oxygen levels, coolant level, and many other critical parameters are monitored and controlled. A digital cockpit provides the machine's performance parameters with historical data of the build progress. A vision-based monitoring and inspection system identifies the deformations or issues in print after every layer. The inspection tool also compares the print area to the layer data and detects any non-conformances in the process, thereby allowing the operator to decide further course of actions. A build report generated at the end of the print project provides all the performance-related information for records and quality purpose. The controller also features an auto-purge mechanism for the multi-stage gas filtration system, minimizing the need for manual intervention.
The machine is offered with all related pre-processing softwares, starting from optimizing the part design, support optimization, nesting of the parts, and simulation of the parts to make the build more suitable for additive manufacturing. Simulation of build analyzes and predicts the build failure before printing the parts, which ultimately saves the time and cost of the printing. Amaze offers end-to-end additive manufacturing solution with post-processing equipment, most suitable for finishing the part after the printing to its end-use application. With access of ACE Micromatic Group complete ecosystem of solutions such as machining center, turning center, grinding machine, there is a wide variety of options to choose from. With this, we ensure customers have the competitive edge in the part manufacturing with combination of technologies.
The Amaze ALM 400 machine has been designed to ensure the user gets highest level of productivity at minimum overall cost of ownership. Let's look at some examples here. Up to 600 different designs of aluminum nozzles for a spraying application nested in a single build can be produced in 20 hours. A part like this could typically cost as low as Rs 150 when printed on the machine. In this case of an automotive bracket part, printed in aluminum took as low as 40 hours for a batch of 20 parts nested in a single build. Another case of printing this aerospace part, the exhaust mixer, which is of a diameter 373 mm when printed in Inconel, took less than 19 hours. A die insert printed in Maraging steel with conformal cooling having a volume of 1600 cc takes about 55 hours to be produced. Not only are these parts faster to produce but also more cost effective. Typically, these parts can be produced 30% faster and would cost 60% lesser when printed on the ALM 400 machine. This makes the machine suitable not just for prototyping but also for serial production applications. By partnering with us, you can be assured of complete end-to-end support. We handhold customers by extending machine operations training, application engineering training, and basics of design for additive manufacturing, along with machine troubleshooting and maintenance training.
Hello, my name is Howard Michael, President and Chief Operating Officer of JTEC Toyota Americas. Toyota Americas is thrilled with our strategic alliance with ACE Micromatic. The addition of ACE products has strengthened our portfolio of high-speed production machining solutions. For several years now, ACE machining centers combined with Toyota Turkey engineering and robotic solutions have been very successful. The equipment has proven to be robust and reliable in production environments, and as a result, we have steadily increased our inventories to meet the expanding market demand. We are excited to continue the growth of our partnership supporting ACE Micromatic venture into an additive manufacturing with ALM 400 3D metal printing. Many of our customers are already seeing the benefits of 3D metal printing for prototype work. The uniqueness of this new product offering from ACE is the focus on production solutions. We are confident that this machine will be a game changer in the additive manufacturing industry. We are excited to represent this machine and look forward to the value it will provide to the growing additive manufacturing market. Thank you.
With vast network of Micromatic machine tools present in 60 domestic locations and in more than 10 countries worldwide, you will be assured of the best after-sales support. With locally available applications and service engineers and essential spares stocked in every location, we ensure you have maximum uptime. We are proud to bring to you quality additive manufacturing machines that have been built with years of dedication and hard work, backed by 4 decades of machine building excellence. These series of high productivity machines made to global standards are here to change the perspective of metal printing, facilitating faster adoption. We strongly believe metal printing has come of age and is here to stay.